I was doing it live. It's a video. It's been a video.
Oh.
Could you stop it?
No, it's on photo.
No, you've done something. I was
We
on
just
video.
pressed it.
Yeah, you stopped that and we've done it.
Oh, that's a good shot. Oh, look at that with all the fans.
Yeah, right. Look, still going up, fucking still going up.
How do you build something like this?
That's what I mean. Like, imagine them building this shit. Look at that one, that's like a bloody...
Rolls Royce.
Yeah, the Rolls Royce, you just fucking sit out and hang off it. Go bungee jumping off the thing. God, that one's still going up high.
Wow, looks like I'm flying.
Mm.
I'm the king of the world. Oh, there's a close tree. Oh, all the way down there. Look.
Those Indian fucks will be spewing because they're trying to get on
Sucked in, motherfuckers.
diamond class, which they're trying everything to get it, but they won't be able to.
She goes, no, you'll have to pay for that when you start your cable. Then the husband comes barreling up. Oh, I want to go. I've got loads of money, motherfuckers.
Huh?
I've always got loads of money.
Yeah, well, they come from fucking India and fucking look at
Shouldn't be here.
the gold over there is 24 karat
Don't
gold, everything they
Indian
wear.
coronavirus.
No, it wasn't.
Here we go, look, we're over to peak. Oh, we're going to get off here.
Oh, here we go. Fucking better sit down.